partner is a specialty pharmaceutical wholesaling company based in Lodz as a headquarter. But we also have facility in Salzburg or in Wannheim. And our operation scope span across EU-wide. So we are mainly focusing actually on rare and orphan diseases, and we offer to biotech company diverse services, including commercial distribution, of course, but along other more special projects as named patient program, early access program, compassionate use program. Intelsius is a strategic partner as actually for us, because I mentioned earlier that we work in different temperature range. So if we do not have capacity, for example, to distribute at a specific temperature range, I mean infrastructure at a specific temperature range, then for us that we will not be able to address a specific need of a customer. And Intelsius, for example, we start working at things when we had this early access program project where the requirement was to transport the product within ambient temperature, 15 to 25 ideally, but control. Traditionally in our field, there are a lot of offers, there are a lot of solutions for cold chain 228, but ambient back then, at least when I started, it appeared as ambient was on the market something new. So there were not a lot of solutions, or at least the solutions were really, really expensive. Our team of the logistics and the quality did an excellent job screening more or less like providers who could provide us this temperature range, and Intelsius came across also our desk basically, where the shipper that Intelsius provide us, I think the Pharma term 20 and 30, if I'm not mistaken, at least the 10 liter and the 26 liter, those were the shipper that came at our attention that we tested, and Intelsius helped us also providing the qualifying documentation. We tested it literally by sending simply some test shipment out there with some temperature logger and seeing more or less like the result. And since then, yeah, we've been using Intelsius at least for this specific project, as it fit with the requirement in terms of temperature. The product arrived usually within the proper temperature that we needed. The ship is robust, for instance, also, so there's less complaint in terms of damaging payload, which is simply excellent, and it's cost effective simply because we had also a pool of different shippers that we could use, and we provided the solution to our customer. They needed, let's say, a specific solution in terms of time as we do next day delivery, cost effective, and in terms of payload dimension also for the quantity that we needed to ship. That's why we are using those two different sizes, because it matches the need for the payload. And so far, the logistic is happy, I'm happy, the customer is happy.